Hello everyone!
We are Juliana,
Louis,
Héloïse,
Théo,
and Cassiope.
The five of us are going to tell you about our MDISS internship in SRGMV in Senegal.
Our trip started on Saturday, July 8th. We met at the airport in Paris to take the plane to Dakar. When we landed, our group was welcomed by one of our internship mentor Falou and our driver Mendy. Then we arrived at the hotel in the night. The next day, we had a free day that allowed us to visit the neighborhood around the hotel. We also took a look at the beach, but we didn't go swimming.
On Monday, we went to the agency to introduce ourselves and meet all the members of it. They teach us about the history of SRGMV and the Great Green Wall, a project created by the African Union which fights against desertification by crossing 11 countries in the south of Sahara. Our internship mentor explained to us in detail about our mission, which is environmental, economic, but also social. It was a great meeting. All those people were very open-minded.
Afterwards, for 2 days, we visited a Toulouker in the Dalal Jam Hospital. The five of us were able to meet the young people of the program Zeyu and Dawi, who teach us agricultural techniques like okra seedlings and the plantation of various trees. Those methods were very interesting to learn. The next day, we went to another Toulouker, the one at the Fan Hospital, in which we learned of soil cultivation techniques. We talked a lot with the people working here about their difficulties, and it was very fulfilling. On July 14, we left the city of Dakar to go to the forest of Mbao to visit a plant nursery and discover the partnership between ACGMV and Eaux et Forêts. We saw where all the plants of the Toulouker were from.
On this day, Louis and Héloïse were interviewed for the national television. Our trip continued in Linguère, a city in the Sahel region, where we stayed for 12 days for making 2 Touloukers. The first 2 days, we visited the field on which we were going to work. We met the young people who were going to work with us and emptied the trucks. On the third day, we separate into 3 groups by Toulouker. A grazing team that was responsible for making the goat enclosure, an agroforestry team responsible for planting vegetables, medicinal plants and fruit trees, as well as a hut team whose mission was to build the sheepfold.
during the following days, each group has to advance on their missions. The agroforestry group prepared the soil, delineating the planting areas and finding natural solutions to limit spread of disease on plant species. The grazing group closed the enclosure with fence, while the hut group put bricks on 60 centimeters high and made a roof. Furthermore, we come back in Dakar for 2 days when we rest most of the time. Our group visits the island of Linguère, which is the place where African slaves were leaving for America. This day was full of history and was very moving. We also went to the Pink Lake where we called to do quad with our driver.
To finish our internship, we went back to the agency of the day of our departure to present our action and get our diploma.
Thank you and bye bye Senegal.